Onions are a flavorful ingredient that enhances the taste of many dishes. Along with making our food delicious, onions are also very healthy for humans. Given these benefits, you might wonder if your cats can eat onions too. But can our feline friends eat onions? Welcome back. Before we get started with this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. While a curious cat might nibble on a raw onion, they're more likely to consume prepared foods containing cooked onions or onion powder. Cooking onions reduces their sharp taste, making them more appealing but no less toxic to cats. Onions of all kinds, regardless of their variety or form, are harmful to cats. Onion toxicity can cause severe stomach upset and damage your cat's red blood cells, leading to life-threatening anemia. Since red blood cells carry oxygen, their rupture reduces the oxygen available in the body, endangering your cat's life. This destruction can also impact your cat's lungs, liver, and kidneys. The primary danger in onions is a compound called n-propyl disulfide. Cats are particularly vulnerable to this oxidizing agent, which can destroy their red blood cells and cause Heinz body hemolytic anemia. This condition, where red blood cells are destroyed faster than they are produced, hampers the blood's ability to carry oxygen, and without prompt veterinary treatment, it can be fatal. Additionally, onions contain essential oils and other organosulfur compounds that can lead to digestive problems such as nausea and abdominal pain. The toxic dose of onions for cats is roughly 5 grams per kilogram of body weight, but even a teaspoon or less can cause harm. Individual sensitivities vary, so some cats might react to smaller amounts. It's important to understand that onion powder is much more concentrated than fresh or cooked onions. One medium onion weighing around 226 grams equates to about 1 tablespoon of onion powder. For a 10-pound cat, the toxic dose of onion powder is about a heaping 1/4 teaspoon. Onion poisoning can also occur from consuming small amounts over multiple days. One tricky aspect of onion poisoning in cats is that symptoms may not appear right away, as it takes time for enough red blood cells to be destroyed. Anemia from onion consumption can develop as soon as 12 hours after ingestion, but it is usually delayed by 2 to 5 days. Some of the most common early symptoms of onion poisoning in cats are vomiting, diarrhea, and lethargy. Other early nonspecific indications of onion poisoning can include nausea, drooling, oral irritation, and abdominal pain. As anemia and secondary damage to the liver or kidneys develop, you might notice pale, yellow, blue, gray, or brown gums, lethargy, depression, an increased heart rate, rapid shallow breathing, weakness, exercise intolerance, dark urine, yellowing of the skin and eyes, collapse, and seizures. Death may also occur. If you suspect or know your cat has eaten onions, start by securing the source to prevent further ingestion. It's crucial not to try inducing vomiting at home unless directed by a veterinarian. Next, contact your vet immediately for advice, even if your cat isn't displaying symptoms. If your regular vet isn't available, head to an emergency clinic promptly. Quick treatment is vital to prevent excessive damage to red blood cells. When discussing the situation with the vet, provide as much detail as possible. Information including how much onion was eaten, what form it was in, and when it happened can guide the vet in determining the best course of action for your cat. Your cat's veterinary treatment will depend on several factors and may involve a range of interventions. The vet might induce vomiting to clear any remaining onion from the stomach and use activated charcoal or other detox therapies to minimize toxin absorption. In severe cases, a blood transfusion could be necessary, along with medications to address symptoms and secondary conditions. IV fluids and supplemental oxygen might also be part of the treatment plan to support your cat's recovery. The good news is that the prognosis for onion poisoning in cats is generally positive if medical attention is sought promptly. However, outcomes are less favorable for cats severely affected by anemia and liver failure or those who do not receive timely treatment. While onions are off limits for our feline friends, Can cats eat garlic or lettuce? These are questions we've answered in our previous videos, so be sure to check them out. Our upcoming videos will also answer other interesting questions, including the suitability of popcorn for our feline friends, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated.